Howdy y'all, I'm Noah.
Hey everybody, Scott here. And these are the new products for February
From Camco.
2020. Our first item up for bid is the new Rhino tote tanks with steerable wheels. Comes in 28 gallon and 36 gallon, and it has wheels on the front to make it easier to tow.
Easier to pull, you can steer it. Now you don't have all of the weight on the two back wheels, but it's distributed between four wheels. Wheels in the front, 6 inches. Also the ladder hook is on the opposite side.
It's exactly the same as the other 28 and 36 gallon tote tanks, except this one has a bar and wheels to tow it and pull it with.
The bar does fold down so that you can hang it on the ladder and store it. It'll flip over all the other way.
Look at that.
So you can hang it up on your ladder if you have one on your RV.
If you don't have a ladder on your RV, we make a bumper mounted tote tank carrier.
If you already have a tote tank and you would like a steerable wheel in the front, do we have an option for that this month?
As a matter of fact, we do have an option for that. It's called the Rhino Tote Tank Steerable Wheel Kit.
The Rhino Tote Tank Steerable Wheel Kit comes with everything that you need to install a steerable wheel on your 28 or 36 gallon tote tank. It comes with a ladder hook and the 24-inch bar and the steerable wheels.
And all the hardware.
So the two tote tanks with the steerable wheel are sold in retail packaging, bilingual packaging, and the kit for the wheel is sold in bulk packaging. This is a replacement tow bar for the existing tote tanks, the 15, the 21, the 28, and 36. It goes underneath the handle so that you can put it onto a existing hitch ball.
Powder coated steel.
There you go. So this is just a replacement, so bulk packaging.
Next up, we've got the new scent of TST. It's TST Ocean Breeze. Same great formaldehyde-free formula. Eliminates odors, breaks down waste and tissue. Smells like an ocean breeze. It comes in a pack of 8 singles, 32 ounce, and a 64 ounce.
Is it ultra concentrated?
It is ultra concentrated.
So it's the TST Max?
Correct. It takes just 2 ounces to treat a 40-gallon tank. English only retail packaging.
This is the Retro RV Sewer Weight. This is the same sewer weight that we showed you last month in orange. It has not changed colors. We've just offered a new color. It's blue.
It's blue.
Comes with the same cap so you can fill up with water, sand, cover up your 4-in-1, hold it down to the sewer dump station, and also has reflective tape so you can see it at night and offer a little bit of safety there so you don't trip over the sewer outlet. Comes in English retail packaging. Next up, we have the Evo X2 Dual Stage Water Filter. This premium dual stage water filter protects against chlorine, bad tastes, odors, sediments, bacteria, and other contaminants from your RV's fresh water supply.
The result is fresh, clean, great tasting water straight from your tap.
The first stage is a 5-micron sediment filter containing KDF and GAC to remove heavy sediments, chlorine, bad tastes, and odors. The second stage filter contains a 0.5-micron carbon block cartridge offering protection against lead, volatile organic compounds, cysts, giardia, and other contaminants.
What's GAC, Noah?
Granularly activated carbon, Scott.
What's KDF?
KDF is a media that helps prevent against mold and mildew while your water filter is in storage.
And that's just in the first stage of this filter, correct?
Correct. The second stage is the carbon block that I mentioned to you if you were paying attention.
I wasn't paying attention. What's the micron rating on that carbon block?
The carbon block is 0.5 micron. Teeny tiny. Right now I'm holding up a 0.5 micron. What's great about this dual stage high flow water filter is that it will filter all the water into your RV so that you can take a shower or dishes, even washing them. Use all of your water and filtered water. The complete kit includes 2 filter canisters, a built-in stand with rubber feet, 4-foot freshwater hose, a canister wrench, replacement premium spun bond polypropylene micron sediment GAC KDF cartridge, and a replacement premium 0.5 micron carbon block cartridge. So not only do we have the filter,
we've got the replacement sediment cartridge and the replacement carbon block cartridge. English only retail packaging. Next up, we've got sun shields for your Class A windshields. There are 2. They fold into 20-inch circles and they expand to 41 inches by 49 inches. They're black on one side and reflective on the other. They help protect your RV's dash from damaging UV rays.
and keeps your RV cooler in the sun.
That's correct.
Does it come with the storage bag?
Yes, it does. That storage bag that you took them out of, it comes with that. That storage bag has a zipper and convenient carry handles. English only retail packaging. Next up, we have the Papa Plate.
Papa plate?
Papa Plate. We had a Papa Plate, but this Papa Plate is different.
How is this Papa plate different?
This Papa Plate pops 10-inch plates.
So it's a larger Papa plate.
It's bigger by at least 1 inch. This Papa Plate comes in white and black. Black shown here. White shown on the picture. We don't have a white one in studio to show you at the moment. They come in English retail packaging.
With French on that packaging as well, so that Papa plate packaging is bilingual. Is this a Papa cutlery tray?
It's not a Papa cup. It's not a Papa cutlery tray. It is just a adjustable cutlery tray.
How does it adjust? It has durable channels so that after you set it, it stays in place, so that you know that your cutlery tray is not going to adjust while you drive down the road.
We have the adjustable cutlery tray in black. It adjusts from 9 inches to 13 inches. You can put your cutlery in it.
This is the same adjustable cutlery tray that we have offered for many years, the one that you've trusted
The
for
one in
many
white?
years. Yep, and now it is in black. Comes in English retail packaging. This month we have 4 new Life is Better at the Campsite products. First one is neoprene can holder that fits what size cans?
Regular size cans.
Like 12-ounce cans?
Sometimes. Fits your standard aluminum cans.
Comes in English retail packaging.
What are these, little placemats? Oh.
They are not placemats, they are yard flags.
Okay.
So we have a sketch pattern and we have the RV pattern. So these are yard flags, they're double-sided, the blackout so that you can't see through them in the sunlight. So good flag design. It is the flag only, it doesn't have the stand, but it does come in a retail packaging. So now you can hang these up at your campsite or at home. Last group of products that we have for this month, new cutting boards.
That looks like a really familiar shape. Florida, California,
Texas, North Carolina.
Made of bamboo. So they're antimicrobial. And you can cut stuff on them. Stuff such as food, meat, cheese.
Vegetables.
And they have a conveniently placed hole in each of them so that you can hang them and it's balanced so that the state shows how it should show.
Collect them all. These are bulk packaged items.
Thank you for putting up with us. This has been the new products for February.
By Camco.
Camco.net.